So this is what our friend Mr. Dale says about remembering names. He says that remembering names is the way to make someone feel important. That person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language. And so if we want someone to feel important, we need to remember their names. To connect it back to our analogy of the first date, can you imagine if you were on a first date and you said, "I'm sorry, what was your name again?" That would not be good. These are things you don't say on a first date, right? You remember that person's name. And so in the same way, in an interview, we want to remember that person's name and we want to use that person's name in order to make a connection, in order to make them feel important, in order to engage them, right?